Hello and welcome. I'm the Autistic Modeler and we got another mail call. So we're going to take a look at these kids here. We got the 70.5 Camaro with the retooled body. And then the Subaru BRAT. This ain't been out for a long time. Our GTO here, our 63 split window Corvette. We're going to open them all up and take a look. Stick with us. First we're going to open up the 70.5 Camaro Z28. Now this particular one now has a full bumper there. The previous issues had like the split bumper, people call them, and the turn signals up here in this area instead of down below. Let's take a look at the box. This side here looks like we have a 350 engine. There's that full bumper. Some nice wheels, pad printed lettered tires. Let's go over here. This side, got a gray one with black stripes. So it must have different colored stripes to come with it. Let's open it up. Right, what do we got? Okay. Right away. Oh, we got some extra wheels. Look like some American racing wheels that come in that. Looks pretty good. And see that grill. Okay, the red taillights. Clear glass. It's pretty good. There's those tires. They're pad printed. They're Goodyear tires. Nice tread on there. Now, I understand this body has been redesigned and repaired and corrected. So it should be really nice. This looks really good. Okay. There's that updated Valance panel right there. That piece. Well, it does look like it changed. The rear panel is in there. Nice exhaust. I'm glad they molded this in white. A lot of these issues, they're molded in, I think, like an orange. It's pretty terrible and hard to paint over, so I'm glad that round 2 did it in white. There is those wheels, the stock Z28 wheels. This is a nice kit. Look how detailed that engine is. It's great. Nice dashboard there. Look at that. And there's our decals. We got white or black stripes. Lots of license plates on there. Old California plates and stuff. Michigan. That's pretty good. And here's our book. I think that's a really nice kit. I'm going to be excited to build that. We're going to build that here on the program. So let's get the next one up. Okay, up next we got the Pontiac GTO Super Stocker. And on this one, I believe this is a 70 or 71. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not too up on my Pontiacs, but let's open this up. Let's see what we got here. Oh, and look at the box. Let's check that box out. Look at them decals. Isn't that great? It says it comes with pad printed tires. Check a look at this over here. Look at that. That's great. Really neat artwork on that too, isn't it? All right. Oh, here's those tires. Really super wide tires. Pad printed. And the GTO body looks really good. That's going to sit really nice and low. I think that with them cutout wheel wells like that. That's really good. Yeah, we got clear windows front and back. Now on the windows it says 1970. Right there. So I'm assuming this is going to be a 1970 GTO. If anybody knows or is correct, go ahead and leave a comment down below. And there's our bumpers with our blocked out tail lights, like rivets on them. That's pretty neat. The chassis looks pretty involved. That's pretty detailed. That's going to be pretty cool to put together. There's we got here? There's part of our roll cage. And that looks like a ram air hood. Little scoops on there. Isn't that great? That's pretty neat. Still has a stock air filter. I'm not sure what that's about. Anyways, that's going to be pretty cool to build. Check out those decals. Those are great. A 400 engine. That's a neat decal sheet. And here's our book. All right, this is going to be a really exciting one. This is going to be a good one to build. Really excited about this one. All right, let's move to the next one. Okay, here we got a 63 Corvette, and it's a split window. That's going to be pretty neat to build. Let's take a look at our box. This side here has the complete stock version. That's pretty neat. Over here, we got says a blown 454 with a stock small block engine. I'm going to say a 327. I'm not 100% sure on my Corvettes. Small block, we know that. And this looks pretty cool. Lucas C. just got this for Christmas. And so I thought I'd get one too, because I thought it was a pretty neat car. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, all right. Right away we got the clear windows. It's only one color windows, but they do have red pieces for the taillights. Okay. It's like some pad printed slicks. Not mentioned on the outside of the box, but that looks pretty neat. And the tires are regular tires. They are Goodyears. Nice tread. They're soft. Well, mine's got 3 metal axles. Not 100% sure why. We'll have to figure out in the directions. Maybe it's something to do with the slicks. Okay, here's our chrome. Got some custom wheels there. Some mags, and we got the stock wheels. This is great looking. This is really neat. Looks like they got a grill there for a Mako shark. There's our split window body. Always like that split window. Bottom's molded in mostly in one piece. Nothing wrong with that. We can make that pretty detailed and make it look nice. All right, what else we got in here? Well, definitely I see 2 engine blocks. They both are manual transmissions. Right away, you can see that. There's a racing helmet in there. See that right there? That's pretty cool. Oh, our steering wheel. She's warped. We'll have to fix that later. But lots of different engine options. There's 3 carburetor manifolds. Looks like 8 carburetors it could be on there. And then there's a single 4-barrel manifold there. Lots of options in this one. This is a great kit. Okay, they got our decals in there. Now, these decals aren't mentioned on the outside of the package, but those look pretty neat. It says Vicious Vette. It's like some nice striping, like custom panel painted car. That's pretty cool. That's gonna look neat. What else we got here? Here's our book. Book there. And then also inside the box, there's kind of cardboard thing. Oh, it's one of those little miniature boxes. Those are great to put together and display with your kit. All right, that's all it's in the 63 Corvette split window. Let's move on to that little Subaru, all right? Okay, here we got a little Subaru BRAT. Now, this is a pretty neat kit. I haven't seen this out in a very long time. So let's take a look at our box. On this side here, we got like a silver gray one with like a maroon stripes. And you notice what BRAT stands for. Did you see that? Bi-Drive Recreational All-Terrain Transporter. Now see, a little history. They call it a transporter because they put these rear seats in the bed. That's to get around the chicken tax law they had for so long. And that was taxing small pickups and vans from overseas in the United States. It was a way to get around the law. They call it something else, and they didn't have to pay the tax. A little history there, but anyways, on this side here, got some of the features there. That one's in black. That's pretty neat. And let's go ahead and open this up. All right, let's see here. Oh, this is neat. That's a little car. How little that is. It's a little tiny. Looks pretty detailed though. Back of the cab there is going to be separate. So that's going to take a little work to work that out. Tailgate, our hood, little bitty dashboard, seats. Front grill area and valance. That's a neat kit. All right, what else we got here? I did notice that on the box, it says made in China, but take a look at this. That says made USA. So round 2, you made this in the United States. Thank you very much. That's pretty neat. So that's great to see that. That's the interior bucket and bed. And here's our chrome pieces. That's pretty cool. Nice bright chrome. Look how little these tires are. These tires are looks like a BFG radial TA. And they're highlighted enough that we could get those white labeled. Make it white leather tires. Simple windows. And there's our, there's our book. There we go. And our decals. Really great looking decals. Those are nice. A couple different colors you could paint it with those different decals. So yeah, these are great. License plates on there are Indiana and Montana. That's interesting. Montana, this would be neat in Montana. Driving through some snow. Alright, well this little Subaru is going to be pretty neat. So, I think we'll build that one on the channel too. Well, I hope you enjoyed another mail call. These are pretty cool kits. Some of these we're going to build on the program, so watch for some new videos. I'm the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.